Good evening, traders. This is the market analysis for 11th of July 2022. I hope all of you have had a very good weekend and are ready for the upcoming trading week. When we look at both the indices, they've had quite an up move in the last few days, and right now we saw that on Friday the action was somewhat range bound with market trading and struggling to break even the opening range on either the upside or the downside. And somewhere by closing around 232.40, it showed that the large place positions in these levels on Friday was more than the positions that actually propel the up move. So I'm expecting an action based Monday, especially. And for Monday, a critical reference is the previous day's high. Unless index goes above previous day's high or trades above previous day's high, I won't be picking up longs. If it does, then my initial target would be 16,335 to 16,360, which is an old seller zone. To the downside, if it breaks 16,180, which I'm expecting it to, then I will be playing for a long liquidation, which with the initial reference of previous days, Thursday's low, which is 16,041. Thursday's low is an important reference zone. Now, when we look at Bank Nifty looks to have been more exhausted than Nifty at this point, and it did not even manage to cross the old sellers area of 35,150 to 35,220 zones. So, if we have an opening below it, or if Bank Nifty starts showing rejection in these areas, then I will be putting on a short trade here, a high probability short trade with 35,620 as my initial reference, which is Thursday's low. You can also see incidentally that there is quite a high volume node here, which indicates that a lot of volumes have been locked up in this area, a lot of positions built in this area, but still index did not cross. And this is about not just from textbook volume profile, not just from standard volume profile, but even volume analytics indicates that this is a very important area for Bank Nifty to cross 35,220. If we have a gap up opening and index starts to move up, then my index of preference to be long and would be Nifty at this point, but not Bank Nifty. So I will be putting on a long trade in Nifty above 16 250 levels to be precise, for with an initial target of 16,335 to 360. But if we get good shorting opportunity, then I will be focusing to sell Bank Nifty than Nifty at this point. Both the indices have had a good up move, and seeing any pullback at this point of time will be a very good opportunity to trade not just the pullback but also get into positional longs. The context of the markets for me is right now bullish but not bearish from a short term perspective. 15,680 to 15,800 is where the largest of buyers are present, and as long as these buyers hold their ground, as long as selling at highs doesn't increase than the buying at this level, as long as these buyers don't exit or larger sell short positions are not created at the current market prices than the longs that actually give triggered the up move, I will be bullish on this market. From a short term perspective, we can get a 1-2% correction here and there from on an intraday basis or on a 2-day basis, but on a positional basis, until this area is taken out, the 15,680 to 15,800 reference, or unless I see that there are larger short positions created than the longs here as per volume analytics, I will be updating that in live markets if that happens. Until that happens, I repeat, I am not hyper bearish on this market. I'm not bearish from a positional basis, and uh, being in longs can be trading longs at pullbacks can be slightly more rewarding in this context. And this analysis is mainly for those positional traders, equity traders who wanted to uh, buy shares at this point of time from a short term basis. Again, this is a short term basis. I have no clue whether Nifty is going to break its all time high or is going to hit 20,000 first. I don't do such kind of harebrained analysis. I look for the next 3% or 5% or next 10% or moves on long and short, being a short term trader. And as for that, until we stay above this price band, I am bullish on this market, and I will let you know if something changes, if fresh shorts come into the system that are larger than these longs. Uh, I hope this video was useful to you folks. If yes, please make sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and also join my Telegram channel. The link is given in the description below. I share my live market updates there. Do let me know if you have any questions in the comment section. I will do my best to answer it. And have a good evening. See you all tomorrow, bright and sharp.